Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny BC. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions.